You are going to love the 2020 Palisade. The Hyundai Palisade includes loads of interior room, third-row seating, and a stylish exterior. Throw in all the additional technology features and your family will be thrilled to ride around in style. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, driver attention alert system, trip odometer, power brakes, clock, cargo area light. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.